What the?
Okay.
Wait, it's King
Yeah,
Chow?
FIB. Yeah, you need to take care of this man. Assault
What?
an
Damn, you sound like
employee.
Nelson Darius for some reason. Yeah, he does sound like Nelson Darius. How are you, Governor?
FIB guy, can you handle this?
Yeah. What's he do now?
Okay. He
145
tried to kill
warning.
one of
Where are
the
you?
guys. He works for NG, and he tried to kill him. He just
Oh,
baited him out outside the green zone and tried to kill him.
okay. I'm gonna handle this. Sir, I'm gonna
Yep.
drag you by arms.
Oh, my bad. What y'all just do? My bad.
Yeah, this guy.
5452 RDX, how
Yeah,
copy?
this guy. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna call for backup.
No worries. Take care.
5342 Paul, I'm at the government office with a 11015.
10-4 coming as ASAP.
Where is Gagla?
He has been coded for 15 minutes. Can you put
Okay.
him inside the car?
Okay, sir. I'm gonna put you in the car. Mind your head. Come to the car nearby, Paul. Okay, sir. I'm gonna say your right, sir. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, you can and will be against you in the court of law. If you cannot afford an attorney, will be provided to you if available at no cost to you. If you only decided to answer any questions, you can stop at any time and invoke your right for a lawyer. Do you understand your rights, sir? Sir, do you understand your rights? Okay, I'm gonna say once again, sir. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, you can and will be against you in the court of law. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to have an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you if available at no cost to you. If you decided to answer any questions, you can stop at any time and invoke your right for a lawyer, sir. Do you understand your right? Okay, it's not answering. It means you have an understand. 534 to dispatch with at 1 additional. I have 1 10 15. Now we are 10 17 to DOC. Just Paul, you seriously don't drive, bro. You seriously don't drive. Okay, sir, I'm gonna put your handcuffs, sir. I'm gonna drag you. What the hell, Paul? Stop! I'm gonna drag you by arms. You don't drive, you don't drive, you don't drive. I'm sorry, sir, for that, sir. I'm gonna put you in a car, sir. Mind your head. Just don't drive when you're lagging. Okay, sir. Paul, I can't hear you. Okay, sir. Mind your head. I'm gonna grab you out of the car. I'm gonna drag you by arm, sir. Paul, what the hell are you doing? You can't. I can't hear you, Paul. I can't hear you, Paul.
Bro, you have a glitch. Drop.
Do
I
you
was
hear me?
telling you from 100 times. I'm
No.
telling you from the.
I can hear everything. You just didn't have any talk. Hey, officer. Do you hear me?
Hey man, what's up?
Oh, sorry.
What the hell, oh man?
Sorry, I was.
You guys cooking this guy in?
Yeah.
I just bring him off through.
Bro, sorry, don't put me in a jail, bro. Sorry.
Sir, you are 5-star, 4-star criminal.
Hello?
About that. Yeah,
Hello?
we can listen.
What are you doing, man? Please explain me what are you doing?
Paul, do you know
Sir.
what's the situation?
The situation is that I killed that.
No, you just shut up. You just shut up. You keep quiet, sir. Keep quiet. Paul, you know what is the
and
situation?
they do many things with me.
What's the
First kill me,
situation?
they
Okay,
trying
then
to
why
kill
you
me.
just
The
arresting
government
him if you don't
agents
know the
are very,
situation?
very fucked
Arey, he is 4-star suspect. I know. His
in my
name is
easy
Aryan.
words.
I
भाई
know.
हिंदी बोलने वाले ओए हिंदी बोलने वाले समझ आ गया
Bro, you can't speak Hindi in this green zone. It's a
अरे
green zone.
यार अरे मेरे को समझ ही नहीं है भाई मैं नया हूँ
Come here, sir.
Bro. I'll tell you.
I am new.
Yeah,
Is this accessible language? अरे why
bro, you have.
why are you
wait,
putting me
bro.
in a jail? Why are you putting me in a jail?
Tell you
in a
everything. You
jail?
are. Sir,
After-
sir, you are
After
4-star
I am
wanted.
free.
Wait, Paul. Sir, I'm gonna
this,
search you
I
for
am
having any
free.
illegal items, sir.
When I am free from the jail, I will kill both of them. I will kill both of them.
Okay,
Sir,
and
I'm giving you your jumpsuit.
no, Paul, no, Paul.
I will kill both of you.
Don't do anything.
After I am free. Okay. I will kill
Why?
both
What
of
happened?
Do you know
after I
the
am free from
situation
the
here?
jail.
Do you
Okay.
know why I just arrested him?
Please
Yeah,
stay-
I know.
Please stay
Why?
this
What?
thing
Just tell me.
in your mind.
He's a 4-star criminal.
Am I right?
His name is Ayan. Do you
And
know?
how do you know that you got he's a 4-star criminal? How do you know that?
I have.
I am not a
I have.
criminal.
Halo?
Wait,
He is-
tell
I have
me.
taken his
Joking.
ID.
Może ja
Joking.
z ostatniej godziny.
I know.
He is joking. I am not a criminal.
It's a NG
Sir,
government.
you are
Paul.
forced.
Zatem się nie powiem, że on tak gramy
He
zabijać
gave me stars.
typką
He
na
gave me
ulicy.
stars.
Że
He
to
gave me
znamená
stars,
asi,
bro.
že aj teba,
Okay.
keď nájdu
Sir, I'm
administrátora,
gonna
dobre
search your
dostaneš.
car.
I have a complaint, bro.
Znamená to, že aj teba, keď nájdu administrátora,
Bro,
tak asi
give
aj
me to the
tiež
court.
dostaneš 2 hodiny.
I want to give a
Okay, sir. Wait.
message to the court. Okay.
Dobra,
Put me
čo
in-
nájdu na poď.
Bro, you get it.
Lebo ani u mňa nebol žiadny administrátor a som bol tak zranom dostať.
Wanna be,
Steje cez.
I will.
I'm checking your
Very,
pocket
very-
for any illegal item.
I say get me to the court.
Paul, I did everything. Paul,
Však ešte potom
wait.
som zabil
He's a
jedného.
fake man. He's a
Okay, so
fake man.
you did everything,
Foolishness.
giving him the
And
jumpsuit.
he put me in
No,
jail
no, I have to
without
declare him
any
wanted.
concern.
Paul,
A Nikola
wait.
zostal.
Without any mistake.
He is
put me in
wanted.
the jail.
Bro, just
He put me
just
in the jail.
step out
He
of the
gave me
cell.
stars.
Step out of
He
the
gave
cell.
me wanted.
Paul, step out of the cell. Just step out of the cell.
Dobre. Ja prídu, musím to sedieť.
Yeah.
OK.
Okay, sir.
Budem tu robiť
Wait.
push-upy.
Just free me. Just free me. Free me, bro. Sorry. Free me. Free me.
A to ale to
Bhai,
sa ti
Hindi आती
odpočíta.
है?
Či? To si
धीरे बोल
nepočíta.
रहा हूँ.
Tak ale Matúš, ty máš tie zbranie potom, ak si vyšiel z väzenia.
Bro, free me. Bro, free me. I don't do anything. But he trying to kill me. There is no mistake. I don't do anything. And why are you put me in the jail? Reply me
Sir,
first. Because I
sir,
am a
you
prime
are-
minister of Los Santos. Do you know who am I?
Hmm. So you're not a prime minister.
I am a prime minister
First thing, sir, there is no prime minister in the city.
of
There is
India.
a governor.
Of India.
Sir, what's your name?
Aryan.
Your name is Aryan.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna give you
Right.
jumpsuit now.
What are you doing, man? Okay, free me. भाई नंगा क्यों कर दिया? Can I go?
No.
Can I go? Okay. Thanks, bro.
Paul!
You cannot get
Okay,
inside
I'm
the
free. OP.
Paul!
OP in the OP non-tag. OP dance in the moon tag. OP. Arey, criminals, come out of here. Come out of here.
Sorry.
All the criminals come out of the.
I don't feel the sorry.
Yeah, you're pedo.
You
I
by
feel the
hand.
enjoyment, not the sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
All
I'm
of these are
putting inside.
terrorists. They are. I have a group. They are all. They all of the. They are all of them who are in the jail are the part of my group.
Private conversation were you
terrorists.
having with?
Okay. Free them, and then free me. I give you lots of money. I have $3 million, and I give you. Yes, I will give you.